guys, good morning. Welcome to Aao Baatein Kare Pooja here. This is your reading for 1st of December 2021. So let's see what is the reading for us. What is the tarot guidance for us? So this will be a general read, so it will not resonate with each and every one, but everybody will have their own message to take from it. Solitude, surrendering to the journey, beautiful. Fellow travelers. Well, if you all want to think, if you all want to imagine, if you all want to create, solitude is very, very important, because during solitude we get time to think. Our thoughts, our dreams, our wishes, they get some time. We can hear them, we can imagine them. So every time solitude is not bad. It is many times solitude is thought as if it is some punishment, or it is something bad going on. But if it's your own choice, then solitude can also do miracles and release control. We are all imagining things, we are all asking for things, manifesting things, but it is very important to release the way that thing is going to reach to us. Once we manifest, we can we have done a job, we have to just release. That's the most difficult part of the journey, and it is a journey. It is not something which will be done instantly. And support is all around you. Support can be your fellow travelers, can be your signs, it can be your totem animals, it can be your spirit animals, which will guide you through meditations, and you can hear their guidance. You can ask for a sign, you can hear their guidance in music, in song. You can hear somebody else talking something about this. So it depends on, do we know our travelers, do we recognize our travelers or not. So let's see what is the reading for 1st of December. And guys, if you are new to Aao Baatein Kare, there's a tap link below. You can please like, share, follow and subscribe to Aao Baatein Kare, YouTube and all the platforms. And if you're interested in tarot live, I hold a lot of lives on Facebook and Instagram, so you can follow those platforms as well. So let's see. 10 of Cups, 10 of Wands. Something is ending. Finally. Okay. 10 of Wands. This is something when something is finally, the chapter is getting over. And every chapter which is getting over doesn't have to be bad, doesn't have to be painful. When something gets over, then there is chance for something new to come in, some abundance to come in. Okay, so this chapter may have caused you lot of trouble, lot of pain, lot of heartbreak, and thank God it must be also somebody who has undervalued you. So finally all this is coming to an end, and if you all have been working on it, if you all have been manifesting on it, there are going to be lot of choices in front of you. So start imagining what these choices will be, or what you would like it to be. So this is your time for visualization, this is your time for manifestation. And as you can see, do not look back, because the more you look back, the more you are in your memory state, whether good or bad. You are not living your future life, you are not living your present life. So the more you are in your present state, the more you are living mindfulness, the more powerful you become, the more abundance will start flowing in your life. So I think we all are manifesting change, but we are not sure how change is going to come. So maybe some of us are feeling confused, and some of us are feeling it is a new road, if I may say. It is not the road we know, it is not a situation we know, but anything new is always uncomfortable. So we have to be prepared to be pushed outside our comfort zone. Okay, so let's see what is the guidance from the universe. I'll pull out few oracle cards. What is the guidance? Third chakra, man holding a heart, angel of love, seventh chakra. Okay, so first and foremost, it is a sign or a message for someone. We have to start meditation and start working on all our seven chakras. Okay, so the more we start working on our chakras, the more unblocked we are, the more we will be receiving messages, downloads, and the more we will go with the flow. And for others, there is love. Some of you all have been manifesting love for a long time, and whoever you are manifesting with, whether it's a man or a woman, that person is going to enter your life very, very soon. So all you can do is send that person love now, and send yourself love, give yourself love, send love around in the universe, and whatever you give out, it's karma. You will get it back tenfold. Okay, so man holding a heart, woman, angel of love. One more thing, Hierophant, Nine of Cups, Three of Wands, King of Pentacles, Princess of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. So in the 3D world, there is going to be abundance, and Pentacles is also something very practical. And again, the Hierophant is knowledge and letting go, going with the flow. Very soon, Nine of Cups is again happiness, joyfulness, love, and everything that we have asked for. So I think this is a beautiful, beautiful reading for the 1st of December. And see you soon with another reading. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.